Hello my dear friends, how are you? I hope you are best. Welcome to my channel. So this is my content, my topic today about which I give you information about what is the history of programming languages. I complete guide you about it. But first of all, if you are new, so also please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so you start my topic about programming language. History of programming languages. The first programmable computers are invented at the end of the 1940s, and with them the first programming languages. The earliest computers were programmed in first generation programming languages. 1GLS machine language, simple instructions that could be directly executed by the processor. This code was very difficult to debug and was not portable between different computer systems. In order to improve the easy essay of programming assembly languages or second generation programming languages, 2GLS were invented, the diverging from the machine language to make programs easier to understand for humans. Although they did not increase portability, initially hardware resources were scarce and expensive while human resources were cheaper. Therefore, cumbersome languages that were time consuming to use but were closer to the hardware for high efficiency were favored. The introduction of a high-level programming language, third generation programming language, 3GLS, revolutionized programming. These languages abstracted away the details of the hardware, instead being designed to express algorithms that could be understood more easily by humans. For example, arithmetic expressions could now be written in symbolic notation and later translated into machine code that the hardware could execute. In 1957 and Fortran formula translation was invented. Often considered the first compiled high-level programming language, Fortran was remained in use into the 21st century and in 1960s and 1970s. Around the 1960s, the first mainframes, general purpose computers were developed. Although they could only be operated by professionals and the cost was extreme, the data and instructions were input by punch cards, meaning that no input could be added while the program was running. The language developed at this time therefore are designed for minimal instruction. After the invention of the microprocessor, computers in the 1970s became dramatically cheaper. New computers also allowed more user instruction, which was supported by newer programming languages. Lisp, implemented in 1958, was the first functional programming language. Unlike Fortran, supports recursion and conditional expressions, it also introduced dynamic memory management on the chip and automatic garbage collection. For the next decades, Lisp dominated artificial intelligence application. In 1978, another functional language, ML, introduced infra types and polymorphic parameters. After algorithmic language was released in 1958 and 1960. It became the standard in computing literature for describing algorithms. Although its commercial success was limited, most popular imperative languages including C, Pascal, ADA, and C++, and Java and C# are directly or indirectly discredited. The first use of context-free BNF grammar and Simula, the first language to support object-oriented programming, including subtypes, dynamic dispatch, and inheritance. Also, discants for language to support object-oriented programming, including subtypes, dynamic dispatch, and inheritance. Also, discants from Algol and achieved commercial success. So friends, how is my topic today, about which I give you information about history of programming languages. I hope you understand and take good knowledge for this my video. So now I am going to my new topic, Technical Office, and next video is very special for you about many languages formal, type system, variables and implementation, in which we topics discuss in next topic. So now go, take care, love.